In a lab in Trondheim, Norway, researchers strapped sedentary adults into a treadmill test and told them to run hard for exactly 4 minutes, rest 3, then repeat it 3 more times. 8 weeks later, brain scans on those same subjects showed measurably more blood flow reaching the prefrontal cortex. Nobody had touched their diet or their sleep. The only variable was those 16 minutes of hard effort. The protocol came out of the Norwegian University of Science and Technology, built by exercise physiologists Jan Helgerud and Ulrik Wisloff. They called it 4x4, 4 minutes at 90 to 95% of max heart rate, 3 minutes of easy walking, repeated 4 times, 3 days a week. It looked brutal on paper, and it outperformed steady-state cardio in almost every trial they ran. Here's the part that surprised the researchers themselves. VO2 max jumped as much as 20% in 8 to 10 weeks, and the real story showed up in the brain tissue. Higher VO2 max meant more oxygen-rich blood reaching the hippocampus, which triggered a spike in brain-derived neurotrophic factor, the protein that grows new neural connections tied to memory and focus. We post a new one of these every single day, so subscribe now if you want tomorrow's breakdown showing up in your feed without having to go looking for it. Follow-up testing on the same subjects found faster reaction times and better scores on working memory tasks within weeks of starting the protocol, not months. That timeline caught the researchers off guard. Most of us default to 45 minutes on a treadmill at a comfortable pace, assuming longer and steadier wins out in the end. The 4x4 data said the opposite. Short, uncomfortable bursts moved the needle faster than anything gentle, and the effect held up even outside a lab full of athletes. Ring the bell on this channel right now so the next one lands the moment it posts, because Wisloff didn't stop with healthy adults. He ran the same protocol on elderly patients and on people living with heart failure, and found equivalent gains in blood flow and cognitive testing. The brain benefit had nothing to do with being young or already fit going in. It came from the 4-minute intervals themselves. So those 16 minutes in Trondheim weren't really a fitness study. They were a demonstration that 4 short bursts of real effort, 3 days a week, can change how much oxygen reaches the part of your brain running your focus and memory. Comment below if you're going to try 4x4 this week.